The ironic thing in life is your brain came pre-wired to speak any language on Earth, but you had zero say in which one you'd actually use. Picture a newborn baby. Any baby. Anywhere. No words yet, just wide eyes and tiny hands. That baby's brain is a supercomputer ready to learn sounds, grammar, rules. Any language. All of them. The hardware is universal. At home, parents talk. Maybe it's English at breakfast, maybe Mandarin on the phone, maybe Spanish at the market. The baby listens. Day after day, sound by sound, the brain starts sorting patterns. It doesn't choose, it absorbs. Most people think language is something you inherit, like eye color. They believe babies are born meant to speak their parents' tongue. It sounds logical. Your family speaks English, so you speak English. Simple. Here's the hidden truth. Language isn't in your blood, it's in your environment. Take that same baby, raise them in Tokyo from day one, and they'll speak perfect Japanese. Same brain, different street. Accent, slang, even hand gestures, all copied from whoever is around. If you ignore this, you miss how powerful your surroundings are. Kids move to new countries at age 3 often lose their first language completely. Not broken. Gone. Because the brain prunes what it doesn't hear. Those neural paths fade like an unused road. This is the worst part. There is a window. Scientists call it the critical period. Before puberty, your brain soaks up language like a sponge. After that, the doors don't close, but they get heavy. That's why adults struggle with new sounds, new accents. Your childhood zip code decided what would feel natural to your mouth forever. So what do you do with this? If you're raising kids, talk, read, sing, fill their world with words, because you are literally installing their operating system. If you're an adult learning a new language, stop chasing perfection. Immerse yourself. Mistakes are data. Your brain still learns. It just needs more hours, more voices, more patience. Because the language you speak was never destiny. It was delivery. And the most powerful thing you own isn't your vocabulary. It's the empty space you were born with, waiting for the world to fill it.